Hello everyone, I'm Maggie from JS Light. This is our high temperature resistant highbaylight. With a power of 240 watts, it's engineered for high temperature scenarios like steel factories, chemical plants, stably withstanding 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. Equipped with 50/50 high-power LED chips, it delivers an ultra-high efficacy of 160 lumens per watt, providing sufficient and uniform illumination with no energy consumption. Constructed with die-cast aluminum housing and tempered glass, it features excellent high temperature and impact resistance for harsh working conditions. Built-in SPD surge protection device defends against the voltage fluctuations and lighting surges, ensuring stable operation. Equipped with a safety rope, lifting rings, and 304 stainless steel screws. These screws are anti-reverse. It's firmly installed ahead to prevent falling. If you are looking for a high temperature resistant highbaylight for your factory, feel free to contact us.